Chapter 1: The Living World: Adaptations and Classifications. Hello students, welcome to our first chapter in General Science. Have you ever wondered why a cactus grows in deserts, or how fish swim so well in water, or why animals look so different in different places? In this chapter, we will explore the amazing world of living things, how they adapt to their surroundings, and how scientists classify them to study better. Let's begin our journey into the living world. Diversity in living organisms. The earth is full of different types of plants and animals. Some plants grow in water, some in deserts, and some in snowy regions. Some animals live in water, some on land, and some can fly in the sky. This huge variety of living things is called diversity. But how did this diversity come about? That's what we are going to learn. What is adaptation? Living things need to survive in their surroundings. Over many years, their body parts or behaviors change to suit their habitat. These helpful changes are called adaptations. For example, a camel has long legs and stores water in its body because it lives in the desert. Plant adaptations by habitat. Aquatic plants. Some water plants, like lotus, have waxy leaves that float. Others, like water hyacinth, float freely and don't even have roots in the soil. Their stems have air spaces to help them float. Desert plants. Cactus plants have no leaves, just thorns. This helps them save water. Their green stems do the job of making food. Their roots are deep to find water underground. Plants in snowy regions. Trees like pine and deodar, plants like pine and deodar have cone-shaped bodies. Their sloping branches help snow slide off easily. Their bark is thick to protect them from cold. Forest plants. In forests, many plants compete for sunlight. That is why trees grow tall and climbers use other trees for support. Some climbers have special spring-like tendrils. Grassland plants. Grasslands have different types of bushes and grasses. Some grasses help prevent soil erosion. Animals like deer hide in tall grasses. Special nutrition types. Some plants like cascata are parasites. Some, like Venus flytrap, catch insects for nitrogen. Fungi grow on stale food and absorb nutrients through thread-like fibers. Animal adaptations by habitat. Aquatic animals. Fish have a spindle-shaped body, fins, gills to breathe, and scales for protection. They even have air bladders to float. Amphibians. Frogs and ducks live in water and on land. They have webbed feet and slippery skin. Frogs breathe through their skin in water and lungs on land. Forest and grassland animals. Predators like lions and tigers have sharp claws, strong legs, and front-facing eyes. Herbivores like deer have wide eyes on the sides, long ears, and strong teeth to chew plants. They can run fast to escape danger. Desert animals. Camels and other desert animals have thick skin, flat feet, and nostrils that close during sandstorms. Many animals in deserts live Many animals in deserts live in burrows and come out only at night. Snowy region animals. Polar bears and snow leopards have thick fur and white bodies to keep them warm and hidden in snow. Aerial animals. Birds and bats have light, streamlined bodies to fly easily. Birds have feathers and hollow bones, while bats use a skin fold to fly. Reptiles. Snakes and lizards crawl using special muscles. Their skin is scaly and their toes have claws. Adaptation for food habits. Carnivorous Carnivores, like tigers, have sharp teeth to tear flesh. Insectivorous Insectivores, like frogs, have sticky tongues. Giraffes have long necks to reach high leaves. Many animals can bend with their surroundings. Many animals can blend with their surroundings. This is called camouflage. Evolution and natural selection. Long ago, Charles Darwin explained how things how living things change over time. He said only the fittest survive. This is called survival of the fittest. Useful changes stay in the next generation. This is called natural selection. Classification of living things. To study so many organisms, scientists classify them. They each they give each one a scientific name using two parts, genus and species. This method is called binomial nomenclature, started by Carl Linnaeus. Example: dog, Canis lupus familiaris; cow, Bos taurus; mango, Mangifera indica. Classification follows a hierarchy like this: kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, species. Let's wrap up. So, friends, in this chapter, we learned what adaptations are and why they happen, how different plants and animals adjust to their habitats, what Darwin's theory tells us, and how classification helps us study the living world better. The living world is full of surprises, and now you are ready to explore it more deeply.